When should you settle an Illinois car accident case? Hi, I'm Josh Rohrscheib. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Central Illinois. And I work in a lot of car accident cases, and clients regularly want to know when they can try to settle their case, or how long it'll take, or what the timeline is and how that works. And I wanted to tell you the most important factor in knowing when to settle your case is just the question of when the client has fully recovered from their injuries, when the client is done treating or reaches maximum medical improvement. When do we know that the client is better? Because the biggest mistake you can make in an injury case is settling the case too early, before you know the full extent of your injuries. Because here's what happens. If you decide to settle a case, yes, you would get a check from the insurance company, but they get a release, and that release is forever. And if you've released the at-fault party and the insurance company from any further claims, you will not be able to recover more money just because you later learned that you are injured more seriously than you maybe thought you were when you signed the release. So you only get one settlement. You only get one shot to settle a case when you sign a release. So you want to make sure that at that time you know of all of your damages. So the biggest limiting factor in when your case will settle is how long it takes you to recover from your injuries and how long you'll be treating. And we encourage people to continue treating until they're better because their health is the most important factor. So generally our timeline when someone is done treating, we immediately start gathering their medical bills and records. That process can take about a month. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer. We then review them and we prepare something called a demand letter that we send to the insurance company to start the settlement process. It may take them 3 or 4 weeks to review those materials and give you an offer. Then we try to negotiate a settlement for you. That whole time we're working on negotiating reductions in your medical bills and liens for you, so that as soon as we get, if we are able to reach a number to settle your case that is agreeable to you and the insurance company, then we ideally want to have all of the work done on your medical bills and liens at that time too, so we can get your settlement funds distributed to you as quickly as possible. So, in the best case, it might be 2 or 3 months after you're done treating. It can take a little bit longer depending on the complexity of your case. So I hope this information is helpful. And again, the big takeaway here is you do not want to settle a case before you are done treating and you really know how badly you were hurt. Well, if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And thank you for watching this video.